All right, guys, in this problem we are given angle A, side C, so we need to find angle B, angle C, and then side B. All right, to do that, what I see right away is that I have both angle A and side A, so I'm thinking law of sines, which means I'm going to do side A 10 over angle A, sine of angle A, which is sine of 55 degrees. Okay, and set that equal to, I'm just going to do the other side that I know, which is C. Okay, so I don't know angle C, but I do know that side C is 12. So I'm going to go 12 over sine of just C. So the part I'm solving for is going to be this angle C. If I cross multiply, I get 10 sine of C equals this way, 12 sine of 55. And then I want the sine C part by itself or isolated, so I'm going to divide by 10. So now that sine of C is equal to 12 sine of 55 over 10. Okay? Now when I'm finding the sine of C, or angle C I should say, I have to use the inverse sign to get C by itself. So I'm going to say C equals the inverse sine of whatever this is. Let me find this first, and then we can put in an exact amount, because that's 12 sine of 55 divided, close parentheses, divide by 10. And I'm going to grow out quite a few spaces here. So we get 0.982982. Okay, and it goes on forever. But if I take the inverse sine of that, so I'm going to leave it in my calculator, go second inverse sine of the answer, second answer, and then this gives me for C equals 79.4. 79.4. All right, so I'm going to fill it in. That's angle C, 79.4, like that. Now you'll notice I can find my third angle by taking 79.4 plus 55, and then that is 134.4. If I subtract that from 180 minus my answer there, that gives me 45.6. 45.6 for angle B. So I already found B and C. B 45.6 and C was 79.4. Okay, so that just leaves me with B. And for B, I can go ahead and again set up a law of sines using what I know. 10 over sine of 55 equals, looking for B. And now B, since I know the angle B, I can leave my top B as the variable, and this is going to be over sine of 45.6. Okay, so to get the B isolated, I'm just going to multiply both sides by sine of 45.6. Okay, and that cancels over here. On this side, this is all on top, so I'm going to go 10. I'm moving my 10 to the front here. 10 times sine of 45.6. all divided by, so close parentheses, all divided by sine of 55, and that gives me 8.7, if I round, 8.7, and of course that equals B, all right, that equals B, so 8.7, and I have all the missing parts solved for.